This rotten mango is going in my $200 face cream. I know it sounds insane, but hear me out. Every year, billions of tons of fruit waste end up in landfills, releasing harmful methane. At the same time, the beauty industry often relies on resource-intensive ingredients. But what if we could solve both problems at once? Fortis Invicta has cracked the code on turning fruit scraps into premium, cold-pressed mango seed oil. Those mango peels you throw away? They're collected and pre-processed, then transformed through a proprietary enzymatic process into the same powerful compounds that make your skin glow, boost elasticity, and fight aging. It's a circular economy revolution across Africa, creating jobs and drastically reducing agricultural burning. See how Fortis Invicta turns local waste into high-value sustainable beauty inputs. From fruit scraps to fashion, Fortis Invicta, integrated circular economy, built for beauty.